easy one pot meal, Jamaican style. We have some corned beef cooking down, and I added some corn in there also. And then over here we have our tricolor pasta being boiled. It's gonna be a one pot vibe, a midweek vibe, Yardie style. All right, so I'm just gonna add the pasta to the corned beef. The pasta is al dente, so it's cooked firm, but it's still tender.
And of course, guys, this corned beef is, regularly made. You can see videos of corned beef being made on my YouTube channel. Again, you can add whatever you want to this. You can add butter beans. We added sweet corn, but you can add so many different ingredients to make it your own. Pretty much we wanted a simple recipe that is easy to make on a weeknight, and so the wifey and Joshua, who loves corned beef by the way, decided on this. And so the rotini pasta was great because now the corned beef can be locked into all the little nooks and crannies of the pasta, and it is an awesome and delicious dish. You can also add some Parmesan cheese to this. You can add some ranch dressing or mayo just to make it a little bit more creamy. It's all up to you. We just wanted to present a simple but unique way of making your regular Jamaican corned beef. All right, so that's what we did here.
All right, so I'm adding some parsley, not only for color but for a nice
what?
May I ask you, please?
For color.
Flavor?
Yeah. Why should always make me decide the things them? Parsley is great for color and of course for flavor. It's a typical garnish for dish like these.
So there you have it. Yes, the finished plated dish. This is our one pot corned beef and corn pasta dish. It was definitely delicious, and this is an easy way in which you can make a quick and affordable meal and turn something basic into something bougie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you can see every single time that we post. Big up on yourself. Comment down below and let me know, is this something that you would try? And yeah, what's your favorite way to make pasta? Big up, bless up, walk good, yeah, the belly says so. Peace.